Alright, we building the ball ends, ball cups. You want to get your reamer for this in here. The threads in the beginning of this is very hard to get started. So you want to take a reamer and kind of go around the outside edge. And you want to go into the option bag and pull this out. Dunn talks about that. Dunsford talks about that in the video. So I don't think you can get these tie rods or ball ends, whatever. I don't think you can get them in without using a reamer. So that's just a little tip that, you know, he kind of shows. And so there are some tools here that you need to get before doing this here. You need to have a reamer. You need to have a shock wrench or shock shaft pliers. And you need to preferably get the shock shaft pliers with the little ball, pillar ball things, whatever, that can pop in. The little stud that on the pliers that you can use to pop these in, because they're gonna go in like this here. But yeah, using a reamer is super important. Another thing you need to get if you're building a kit is some calipers. I got these from Harbor Freight. These are Harbor Freight specials. I think these were like 10 bucks. Digital calipers. Just some tips like that. So something I done even with the reamer is in the beginning of the threads, I added some black grease to just the beginning. You know, just the beginning to get the threads kind of going. These are some tough ball cups. Good gosh. Like, they're insanely. And if you can't get it started, hit it with the reamer again. The outside outside edge. You know, just hit the outside edge. So, man, these are tough to get on. Like, I kept rimming the hole and, you know, taking some flashing out, and I add black grease, and I put the wrench in there, and I'm like, and I got this tool from the Yokomo, one of the Yokomo kits, and I put that on the end, and I'm just like cranking, trying to get that started, and it finally got started. But no lie, y'all, these here took, I'll say, 30 minutes to 45 minutes to get these ball cups done. And they were just that tough. Like Ryan Dunford here, he used the JT ball tie rods, and it just made it look so simple. I'm just like, and he used the JT titanium tie rods, and he just threaded them on so simple. And I'm up here cranking like look, my hands are shaking. I got like a red spot on my hands, but yeah, man, I got these on, and I feel like I accomplished something. I mean, this is my first A-scale kit, and you got to build them tough and make them tough, but yeah, so moving right along. So, got Dunford here. This is as far as I got on this video here. Got shocks, ball ends. I got my diffs done here. Mark, you know, I think I said that in the beginning, but anyway, got diffs done. Moving on to bag D, which I'll probably start that tomorrow. So, I gotta work tomorrow also, so video will probably be in 2 days. So, it will be black. It should be in next week. Yeah, just building a kit with this guy here. Pretty good job of the video. Kind of reminds me of Jack Johnson back in the day. Yeah, Jack Johnson. I think his name was Jack Johnson. He worked for worked for Losi. Dak. He worked for Losi back in the day, and he did a video building a kit from start to finish, and this is what this reminds me of. So, uh, yeah. So this is like I said, new adventure. So thank y'all for tuning in. Like, subscribe, check out my merch, my shirts. Yeah, couldn't do this without y'all. So we're gonna keep this build going until I guess I finally get on the track with it. Um, I'll probably either go to Red Brush for the main voyage or Loganville. But yeah, this is tougher than 10. Well, the materials are tougher than 10 scale. But it don't seem like stuff as tolerance sensitive yet as 10th scale. But yeah, I can't wait to get out on the track with this. Yeah, so like, subscribe, you know the deal, and see you here tomorrow or the next day.